The snowball method is a simple yet powerful way to pay off debt. It's designed to help you gain control over your finances by focusing on small, manageable steps. The idea is to pay off your smallest debts first, regardless of their interest rates. By doing this, you can quickly eliminate some of your debts, which can be incredibly motivating. Each small victory creates a sense of accomplishment and builds momentum, encouraging you to tackle the next debt with even more determination. Imagine a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and speed as it goes. This visual perfectly captures the essence of the snowball method. As you pay off each debt, the amount you were paying on the previous debt rolls over to the next one, allowing you to pay off larger debts faster. This method isn't about saving the most money on interest. Instead, it's about changing your behavior and creating a positive financial habit. By setting clear financial goals and achieving them one by one, you build confidence and a sense of control over your financial situation. The feeling of victory with each paid-off debt is incredibly rewarding and keeps you motivated to continue. This method works because it keeps you focused on your goal of becoming debt-free, providing a clear path to financial freedom and peace of mind. First, make a list of all your debts. Write down the total amount owed for each debt. Don't worry about interest rates right now. Next, organize your list from the smallest debt amount to the largest debt amount. This is your debt snowball list, and it will be your guide throughout the process. Having a visual representation of your debts, arranged from smallest to largest, can be incredibly motivating. This list will serve as a constant reminder of your progress as you work your way through it. With your list complete, focus all your extra money on the smallest debt. Pay as much as you can each month towards this debt, while making minimum payments on all the others. This approach might seem counterintuitive, but there's a psychological reason behind it. Paying off smaller debts quickly creates quick wins. These wins release endorphins in our brains, making us feel good and motivated to continue. This positive reinforcement is crucial, especially in the early stages of your debt-free journey. Section 4. Rolling payments. Creating the snowball. Once you pay off the smallest debt, celebrate your victory. It's important to acknowledge these small wins because they keep you motivated and focused on your goal. Take a moment to enjoy the progress you've made. This positive reinforcement will help you stay committed to the process. Then, immediately roll the amount you were paying on that debt into the next smallest debt on your list. This means if you were paying $50 a month on a credit card and it's now paid off, you take that $50 and add it to the payment for the next debt. This way, your payments grow larger and more impactful. This is where the snowball effect comes into play. Just like a snowball rolling down a hill, it starts small but gains size and speed as it moves. The same principle applies to your debt payments. As you pay off each debt, the amount you can put towards the next one gets bigger and bigger. This means you can tackle larger debts more quickly, reducing the overall time it takes to become debt-free. It's like rolling a snowball down a hill. It gathers momentum and size as it goes. The more you pay off, the more money you free up to attack the next debt. This creates a powerful cycle of financial growth and debt reduction. This snowball effect will help you pay off your debts faster and faster. By staying disciplined and following this method, you'll see your debts disappear one by one, leading to financial freedom and peace of mind. Keep pushing forward, and soon you'll be debt-free. Section 5. Staying motivated on your journey. Staying motivated is crucial when you're on the path to financial freedom. It's not just about the numbers, it's about maintaining the right mindset and keeping your eyes on the prize. Staying motivated is key to successfully using the snowball method. This method involves paying off your smallest debts first, which can give you quick wins and build momentum. Here are some tips. Track your progress visually. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating. Use charts, graphs, or apps to keep a visual record of your journey. Use a debt thermometer or cross off debts on your list as you pay them off. Each small victory will bring you closer to your ultimate goal. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they seem. Recognize and reward yourself for each milestone you achieve. This will keep your spirits high and your motivation strong. Find an accountability partner who will encourage you along the way. Having someone to share your progress with can make a big difference. They can offer support, advice, and a fresh perspective. Remember, there will be challenges. Financial journeys are rarely smooth, and you may encounter obstacles that test your resolve. There will be times when you want to give up. It's natural to feel discouraged, but don't let these moments define your journey. But stay focused on your goal of becoming debt-free. Remind yourself why you started and the benefits that await you at the end of this journey. Remind yourself of the freedom and peace of mind that come with living without debt. Visualize your debt-free future and let that vision drive you forward every day. Section 6. The freedom of a debt-free life. Living debt-free is incredibly liberating. It reduces stress, improves relationships, and opens up new opportunities. Imagine not having to worry about making monthly payments. Think about the things you can do with the money you're currently sending to creditors. The Snowball Method is more than just a debt repayment strategy. It's a lifestyle change. It's about taking control of your finances, building healthy habits, and achieving financial freedom. It's a journey that requires commitment and discipline, but the rewards are well worth the effort.